Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, we're going to be talking about how you can find your completed tasks inside of TickTick. And it's all coming up next. So welcome back to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. In today's episode, it's going to be a little short one for y'all, but I just thought I'd go over this thing about finding your completed tasks. Now, if you go through the day, clicking off tasks and stuff like that, but, and they disappear and stuff, and you don't have it set up to just stay in your today view or what have you. Well, and the tasks go away, you might want to find them again to see which tasks you have completed for the day. So if you look here, I have TickTick opened up here for the web. And if you look over here to the side here, you have the inbox, you have calendar, you have today, you have next 7 days, you got your lists, archive list, and then you have this thing called completed. So if you click on that, you'll see that you will find all of your completed tasks by dates. And of course, you can change that by this week, last week, this month, other dates. You can also change the all list to whatever list you want to see. Maybe you only want to see the completed tasks for your personal life, or maybe your hotel life, or what have you, right? And you can go over here and you can print up your list. Maybe you want to print the title and contents. And you can uncheck your tasks. Maybe you put something away and you want to get it back, and so you uncheck it, right? And you can right click on them, change them to some other day. So there's all your tasks don't really technically go away from the today view. But, sorry, doing a little cleanup. Okay. So they don't actually go away. They just go into this section here called completed tasks. Pretty neat, huh? Well, anyways, like I said, it's going to be a short episode, but I hope you enjoyed it and got something out of it. And if you did, please click that like button right down below. And if you want to see any of my upcoming episodes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.